This cyclist managed to record the accident right in front of him, and also keep in mind that road here has only one lane.
Mate, it's alright, I got a camera, you'll be fine. There's only one lane here.
This cyclist almost got run over by careless SUV driver.
What are you doing? What are you doing? You see the white line? Why are you driving at me? I've got two flashing lights. How can you not see?
Then you convinced me to go out.
Tractor driver doesn't care about roadworks.
Oh, it's my own stupid fault. Thinking I'm having a day off and his lordship might actually pull his finger out and do what I asked. No, his mind is elsewhere.
How are you doing, mate?
He ain't giving all
What's
this
up, mate?
thought. Well,
Holy. Oh dear.
So much effort. It was just amazing, and they had so much fun. And it's amazing. Everybody says they don't like new officials.
But look,
You know who the actors are.
Stone from lorry breaks tractor windscreen.
Oh, f***ing hell.
idiot.
In half a mile, use the second from the right lane to take exit 243 for Georgia 166.
What would you like?
This driver had to brake hard as Jeep cut him off.
Jesus Christ, dude. God.
Super satisfying.
And so you can think around with it a little bit, and right, so something like that.
But there's a plan, and they got a couple other people in the pipeline, so that's all.
Having blinker on doesn't give you right of way.
This is a private jet. They were going to board, it seems. Okay, that stopped them. They arrested this guy. Diddy was not arrested.
Sorry!
What happened?
Wow.
What happened?
That car almost hit him and he gave him the finger.
Oh, did the bike just go through the red
Yeah,
light?
but the person blew the horn and then he gave him the finger. The car.
Why did the bike go across like that?
I don't know. In Spain. It's all weird.
Since sign was preventing this driver to turn right on the red, driver behind him got really impatient.
Pati.
Do not ever run red lights, especially when cop is right behind you. Lady in Mercedes first cuts off this driver and then brake checks him. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.